Hi class, welcome to week 8. Next week you will be evaluating each other's speeches. So this week you'll be learning about the proper ways to do evaluations and, important question, why is evaluation so important for a speech? So evaluation, it's a good thing. Evaluation is description grounded in a justified judgment. So you think about the description, what did I see and hear? And then you can make a judgment, was it good or not? But you don't stop there, you justify it. Why was it good or not? And then you provide rationale. You say, what is the rationale or norm behind my justification? So critical thinking is important, and you must always strive to become a better thinker. This is in your evaluation. Hone in your critical thinking skills. It will help you support clear and successful reasoning for your fellow classmates. So effective evaluation, it's not only about what needs to be improved, it also focuses on the successes. So evaluation can help build your confidence when you hear the things you do well, as well as the things you need to work on. And by watching other speakers, evaluation makes you a better communicator. So most people learn by watching and doing. So by watching other speakers and identifying where they succeed or need improvement and applying that knowledge to your own speeches, you'll elevate your own skills. So what are some elements you should evaluate? You could ask questions about supporting materials, language choices, delivery, confidence, use of space, especially with the videotaping, and any attention tricks of the trade to keep your attention. So what should you consider when evaluating speeches? Well, one of the main thing is the speech's message. So think about what topic was selected, what research did they use to back up this topic, and then what do you think the overall message was? You also want to look at the speaker's presentation. We talked about use of language a few weeks back. You want to think about that. What language did they use? How was their delivery? How did their PowerPoint mesh with what they were saying? You can use this checklist on the side for your evaluations next week. So who evaluates your speech? Well, you do have a couple people who evaluate them. Obviously, you will be, as you've seen, you are required to do a self-analysis after all of your speeches in this class. The audience, starting with the informative speech, you're going to have a student evaluate how you did. I evaluate all of the speeches for grading. And remember that classroom peers are very important. You do not need to be an expert in public speaking before you can offer a useful evaluation. So how can you offer a constructive evaluation? Offer constructive feedback. Answer the question, why? Be positive first. I always call this the sandwich method. Be positive first, and then frame your critique in an encouraging way. Don't just stop there. Offer improvement tips. Give advice. The whole point of an evaluation is how someone can improve. Please avoid demeaning comments and attacks. Describe, judge, justify, and rationalize. And be objective. Be aware of your personal feelings. So really, this is all I really have to say for evaluation. So this is a shorter lecture this week, but I know you're going to be working a lot on your informative speeches during week 8, but take what I'm saying and use this for next week when you look at your own speech in your evaluation and your peers.